So what we have here, is failure to communicate. Sorry, I free associate easily. So anyway, that's an example of it. Anyway, what we have here, to get back on subject, is or are a bunch of log sections from a tree that blew down actually a couple of years ago. And I was going to be splitting most of it into firewood, but my son suggested turning a couple of them into benches for around our fire pit. And that's what I'm going to be doing. And like I said, this isn't going to be called how to make one, because you might not want to make your own. It might actually save you a lot of time, effort, trouble, and frustration if you just go buy a bench and stick it by your fire pit. But hey, what would be the fun of that? Anyway, I'm going to be using these three pieces right here because they're the smallest ones, and then I'll get the rest. I'll get more firewood out of the rest. So I'm going to be moving them, rolling them over to here where our fire pit is. You saw the video a while back where I drove through here. I didn't point it out, but this is our fire pit. It's kind of actually it's got a mess in it for some stuff that we burned that I got to get rid of. But we're gonna put them, 3 of them, around there, and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and roll them over here first, and then do all the cutting here, because well, once they have flats on them, then they'll be harder to roll. Anyway, let's see how that goes. Need some implements of destruction to help me out. I think I just finished making the log benches. Chainsaw wasn't cutting along the grain very well, and I just sharpened the chain. Not that I'm really good at sharpening chains, but good enough. And it wasn't working so hot. And cutting along the grain is different than cross cutting, so that may be it. One thing's for sure, it's it for right now. Do what you can with what you have where you are. God bless you all. I'll see you next time.